Ang problema po natin, we have fallen in love with the 28 fundamental beliefs. Kaya to the point na ang pinipreach natin instead na yung gospel is yung 28 fundamental beliefs. Comment ko lang, Pastor, kasi mga kapatid, the power of the 28 fundamental beliefs is in the gospel. Okay? Is in the gospel. Kung wala po si Kristo dun sa 28 fundamental beliefs, it is just, wala, useless po. In everything in our preaching, it has to be power. So it must have Jesus Christ in it. Ang problema po natin minsan dito sa ating ang tawag kasi natin dito, Pastor, movement Di ba yung ating Seventh-day Adventist? Ang problema po natin, we have fallen in love with the 28 fundamental beliefs. Kaya to the point na ang pinipreach natin instead na yung gospel is yung 28 fundamental beliefs. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Pastor, lagi ko pag nagkikwentuhan kami nito, Pastor, mapapaaway na naman tayo niyan. Okay? Kasi totoo niyan, mga kaibigan, this is a personal experience. Nung nag-preach isang araw si Pastor doon sa church na member ng nakamag-anak ko, tinanong nila ako, binackground check nila si Pastor Maso. Okay? Is he a legit? Pastor, sabi, yes. Sabi ko, kaya is he preaching another gospel? No, he is not. He is preaching. Kaya nga, kasi they have fallen in love as a church. Doon niya, sinasabi niya, true church in everything. So I know, Pastor Joel will reveal everything yung niya. Pero, di ba, we have fallen in love with the 28 fundamentals, the beliefs na inaalis na natin si Kristo sa mga na yan. Okay, Pastor, thank you po.
Thank you po.